London Dairy to offer you a very hearty welcome.
Well, I'm very happy to be here and very happy that we managed to get the first direct all-Australian mail through from Australia to England.
And with this mail, I can assure you the machine will probably groan with relief. There's nearly around two-thirds of a ton complete of mail matter, and if that's an indication of how the traffic will be in the future, well, it's a very happy omen for the successful continuation of a regular service. I've completed the first all-Australian mail through from my country to the motherland, and I sincerely hope that it'll be the forerunner of a regular mail service in the future. And I do earnestly hope that the response will be as big here as it was in Australia. I brought something like 1,440 pounds weight of mail with me, and I sincerely hope to take back something the same.